Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will show you how to convert mixed number to improper fraction. But before I show this exercise to all of you, I will explain you about what is mixed number first. Okay, so the standard mixed number form is if I have A and B over C, this is a standard form of mixed number. And mixed number has two parts. The part one is A that we call a whole number. Yes, a whole number. And for the second part is the part of fraction. Yes, the fraction part. The fraction part of mixed number is always a proper fraction. Yes, it's always a proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? The proper fraction is a fraction that the numerator is less than the denominator. It means B is less than C. Yes. And when you convert a mixed number into a fraction, it's always became a improper fraction. Yes. It became a improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction that has denominator is greater than, that has numerator is greater than the denominator. It means B is greater than C. Okay. And if you want to convert the mixed number into a fraction or into a improper fraction, you need to multiply A. It means you multiply whole number with the denominator. It means you multiply A with C, and then you plus the numerator. Yeah, plus the numerator is B, and then divide all of this with the denominator is C. Okay, so now we apply this property to our exercise. Yes. So now if I have 2 and 1 over 3, if I want to convert it into improper fraction, I need to multiply the whole number with the denominator is 3, and then I plus it with the numerator is 1 and divide all of this with the denominator is 3. Okay, and then we can evaluate it. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 and over 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 over 3. Now you see that it is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Yes. So for the exercise B, you can do the same way. You can multiply 5 with 7 and then you plus it with 3 and divide it with say 7. So the result is 5 times 7 is 35. So 35 plus 3 over 7. 35 plus 3 is 38 and divide it by 7. So this is all about the mixed number. In the next video, I will show you how to convert the improper fraction into mixed number. Yes, I will reverse it with all of you. Okay, so see you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see you in the next video, everyone.